Hi everyone. Welcome to IELTS Listenora, your space to improve English listening and speaking skills. Here we bring you easy English conversations and stories to help you practice speaking, learn new words, and gain confidence. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started and enjoy learning English together. Hey Sarah, how have you been?
Hi, Ayan. I'm doing great. Honestly, I'm super excited these days.
Let me guess. Eid is coming, right?
Exactly. Eid always brings so much happiness. What about you? Are you excited?
Of course! Eid is my favorite festival. The food, the family time, and especially the shopping. I love everything.
Same here. By the way, did you finish your Eid shopping?
Not completely. I bought a Punjabi, but I'm still thinking about shoes. What about you?
Oh, I did a lot of shopping already. I bought a beautiful dress, some accessories, and matching shoes.
Wow, that's impressive. Where did you go for shopping?
I went to a big shopping mall with my cousins. It was very crowded, but also very fun.
Yeah, shopping malls before Eid are always crowded. But that's part of the excitement, right?
Exactly. The lights, the people, the offers. It feels like a celebration even before Eid.
So what kind of dress did you buy?
It's a light blue traditional dress with some beautiful embroidery. I really loved it at first sight.
Sounds amazing. I think blue will look really nice on you.
Thank you. What about your Punjabi?
Mine is white with a simple design. I like keeping it elegant.
White is always a classic choice for Eid.
So what are your plans for Eid Day?
Well, first, I will wake up early, get ready, and go for Eid prayer with my family.
Same here. After the prayer, I usually hug my friends and say Eid Mubarak.
Yes, that's one of the best moments.
What about food? What's your favorite Eid dish?
Definitely samai. I wait for it all year.
Same. My mom makes the best samai ever.
Lucky you. My mom also cooks many delicious dishes like biryani and korma.
Now I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Do you visit relatives on Eid?
Yes, I visit my grandparents and cousins. We spend a lot of time together.
That's so nice. Eid is really about family and togetherness.
Exactly. It's not just about new clothes, but also about sharing happiness.
By the way, do you give or receive Eid?
I still receive Eid. What about you?
Same here. Getting money on Eid feels so special.
True. It makes Eid even more exciting.
Do you remember any special Eid from your childhood?
Yes. When I was a kid, I used to wake up very early because I was too excited to wear my new clothes.
Aw, that's so cute. I used to do the same.
And I couldn't wait to collect Eid from everyone.
Same here. Those memories are priceless.
Do you take pictures on Eid?
Of course. I take lots of pictures with my family and friends.
Same. Social media is full of Eid pictures these days.
Yes, everyone shares their happiness online.
So, any special plan for this Eid evening?
Maybe I'll go out with my friends. We might visit a restaurant or just hang out.
That sounds fun. I might do the same.
Eid really brings people closer.
Yes, it's a time of love, joy, and forgiveness.
I agree. It reminds us to be kind and grateful.
I can't wait for Eid now.
Same here. Only a few days left.
Let's make this Eid memorable.
Definitely. Eid Mubarak in advance.
Eid Mubarak, Sarah.